Hi everyone. Right, so Google Vids, I'm just going to show you another lesson that I've done. But first of all, what I'm going to do is the teacher part of this. So this will be two videos. If you want to see the lesson, just click the link in the corner and you will go to the lesson. But the first thing really is how a teacher sets this up, because Google Classroom now allows you to add Google Vids to assignments. So I'm going to show you that. So what you would do is you click on the 9 dots here and then choose Google Classroom, go into your Google Classroom. So I'm in a classroom here, my test class, and I want to go to my classwork. Okay, so I'm just going to go into classwork and then I'm going to click on create. Now I'm going to create an assignment and let's call this My Heritage Country. So the instructions is to record. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I could go down to create here and then choose Google Vids, and you can see it says new here, but I don't want to do that. I would prefer to be in control on where my templates are. So you could do it like that. That's one way of doing it, but I'm going to go to Google Drive and I've created a new folder called Google Vids. So in here, I'm going to create my new Google Vids. So I'm going to go to new and then go down to Google Vids. Let's click on that. That's going to open up a Google Vid. I want to create a blank one. So let's just create a blank one there. Now, so I've got my blank Google Vid. So I'm going to give it a title. My heritage video. I could, if I want to, do a template to that, but I'm just going to leave it blank. And then I'm just going to close it, just like so. And then you can see my heritage video there. Now let's go back to Google Classroom. Now in my drive, what I want to do is go and search for that. If I click on that, so it will be in my recents, but I'm going to go to my drive and then go down to the folder that I've put it in. And there it is, my heritage video. So I'm going to add this. Now, at the moment, students can only view it. Now, this is the most important part when you're assigning documents that you want the children to work on in Google Classroom. So file sharing options, we don't want them to view it. We don't want them to edit it, because if we do that, then they can all edit the same video. Now, we don't want that. And that's the same for any of the Google Docs. If you want to do a collaborative Google slideshow, then that's what you would choose, where all the children are editing the same document. We want to make one for each student. So I'm going to click on that, and then I can choose all the students. That's fine. Now what we're going to do, I'm not going to choose a due date. I'm just going to choose a topic. Let's create a topic for this. And I'm going to call this the GeoQuest Challenge. And I don't want to do anything else. So it's going to go into that topic and then I'm going to assign it. Okay. So that's now assigned that to all the students in my classroom. Now let's go and do the lesson. So click the link on the screen now and go and have a look at this wonderful lesson.